Good morning, everybody. Nicole Blaine here from Insurance Agency Marketing Services. If someone could acknowledge that you can see my screen and hear me, I would greatly appreciate it before we get going. All right. I want to thank all of you for joining us today. We are going to go over American Life's new 7-year fixed indexed annuity. It is a great option for your clients. We do have some housekeeping items that we've got to go over first. The first thing we are going to go over is our new production builder. These are for agents who are new to IAMS within your first 6 months of contracting with us, or 180 days. We have multiple tiers here available to you based on your paid production. We have these in place to assist you in growing your business and jump-starting your production. As you can see, we do have the multiple tiers, and within each one of these tiers, we do have personal perks, business building tools, and some lead gen programs that are available to you. Next thing we are going to go over is our Business Builder program. First thing we'll go over is our Referred Producer program. So this is a one-time bonus. Just like you guys' business out there is based on referrals, so is ours. So anytime you refer an agent over to us here at IAMS, we are going to do everything we can to get that agent contracted. When they do so, you will get a $50 one-time bonus. That is our way of thanking you for sending that producer to us. We sincerely do appreciate referrals. They are the best lead source that we can possibly have. Once they place their first piece of business, you will get a one-time $100 bonus. But where the real money starts to come in is when that referral is writing business. As you can see, they are going to get 20 basis points on any indexed annuity premium. Life Target gives you 15 basis points. Single premium life gives you 75 basis points. And my production gives you 10. We do cut these checks quarterly. Charles and Steve and Curtis, our executive team, cut these checks for thousands of dollars on a quarterly basis. It is a great opportunity for you as well to put some extra money in your pocket simply by referring someone over to IAMS that you think would be a good fit that we could assist in growing their business. Next thing we're going to go over is our marketing reimbursement program. And rough dollars on that are $100 goes into your marketing reimbursement account for $100,000 of indexed annuity premium, $200 per $100,000 of single premium life, and $200 for $10,000 life target premium. This is available to you after your first 6 months or 180 days of contracting with us. And all we require you to do is submit receipts. If you have a relationship going with someone that is successful and you want to continue that relationship, we are more than happy to help you cover that expense. All you need to do is submit the receipt to us, and we will get that check out to you usually within a day or two. Next thing we are going to go over is the back office support that we do offer here at IAMS, which sincerely is the core of what IAMS was founded on. We are focused on helping the independent advisor work smarter, not harder. And we do that with great business building tools and resources, any type of assistance that you might need with case design, forms at your fingertips through our website. We do have our life new business team that's headed up by Cindy Fry, and our annuity new business team headed up by Amber Williams, who do help you from submission to commission. They do follow up on your cases every 3 business days to make sure that they do get processed in a timely manner. Our quotes that we do provide to you with that 24-hour turnaround time guarantee. We do have top sales expertise here in-house, many, many, many years of experience on both the life and annuity sales floors. And we do get those quotes out to you. We make a 24-hour guarantee, but usually we're going to have those quotes out to you within the hour, if not before the call with the marketer is complete. We also have external coaching that you have access to here at IAMS to make you an expert in various fields. And then we do have our paperless contracting platform on Surance Bay. Next thing we are going to go over is Firelight and how to access that at www.imsinc.com. Next thing we are going to go over is our creative marketing solutions. So we do have a whole department dedicated to helping you, the independent advisor, with marketing. We have turnkey solutions for you, newsletters, postcards, flyers that we can simply impose your logo on and get that out to you. We have agency solutions, so we can design a brand and logo for you, get you your business card formatted, brochures, any kind of stationery or advertising you might want. And then the one thing that everyone is looking for these days are the digital marketing solutions. We do multiple online marketing projects for our agents, from designing your website for you to social media consulting for you, email marketing, any digital marketing strategies you want to implement, and online newsletters. The IAMS website, which I mentioned earlier, is www.imsinc.com. There is a wealth of information on our website for you. You can also access our quoting software on there, as well as our Firelight EAP system, our iGo system for your life business. We have our annuity grids on there. We have current annuity news. In our sales resource library, we have thousands of pieces on that can just be turned around and sent out to clients for marketing. We have industry links on the website, and it is always accessible to you 24/7. I know that there is nothing better than talking to one of us, but with that being said, if it is after hours and you do need some assistance, you can hop on the website and pull your income rider quotes, pull highest MIGA rates, do your term quoting, whatever it is you might need. Next thing we are going to go over is our retirement analyzer software. This really is a holistic software designed to help you show your clients where they are currently at and where they will end up being from a financial standpoint from the products that you do recommend. It is very easy to understand and very client friendly, and does truly help you close more sales. And we do offer a 30-day free trial for qualifying agents to this software. So if you are interested, go ahead and give your marketer a call here at IAMS. I am going to launch my first poll question. I do appreciate everyone's participation in my polls. Would you like more information on IAMS Wealth Management? So we founded IAMS Wealth approximately three and a half years ago. We have grown this division of IAMS very organically. We have helped a lot of our independent advisors pass the Series 65 at a very successful clip. I do like to give the suitability example as to why having a 65 can increase your revenue. As most of you know, most carriers, from a suitability standpoint, will only allow a client's to have 50% of their net worth in an annuity. So let's say you have a client that has $500,000 of liquid assets that they'd like to invest, but that's also their net worth. An annuity will only take $250,000 of that premium. Now, with that being said, what is going to happen to that other $250,000? That client is going to have to go to a registered rep of some sort if they would like to invest that money. When you pass your Series 65, you can help that client invest all of their money as opposed to just the 250,000. So it does eliminate the possibility of you losing that client. I close out that poll. I do appreciate all of the participation. Next thing we are going to talk about is the most exciting trip IAMS has ever offered. Still time to qualify. Qualification period ends June 30th of 2022. Does take 4.5 million points to qualify, but as you can see, this is going to be an incredible cruise all through Italy, Greece, Montenegro, Croatia, and then you close out in Venice. If you would like any additional details, give us a call here at IAMS at 800-255-5055. And with that, I am going to launch my next poll question on our Life and Annuity Academies that will start again next spring. Our Life and Annuity Academies are 2-day training programs where we do bring in our top 4 producers, and they go over in depth the marketing strategies that they have found to be successful in getting them from the bottom to the top of industry in production. We usually do have these in Des Moines, Iowa, but they are a great opportunity for anyone who's active in the life and annuity market and is looking for ways to grow their business. We have sales software tools that are presented there, advanced annuity sales concepts, whether it's Roth conversions or utilizing IULs for tax-free retirement, for wealth transfer, industry's best income riders. These academies are a great opportunity if you are active and looking to grow your business. Thank you, everyone who did participate in that poll. We are almost to the meat and potatoes of this webinar. We are on Facebook and LinkedIn, so if you want to go ahead and like us on Facebook and follow us on LinkedIn, you will have access to our weekly posts Okay, so today we are going to go over what I really think is one of the top fixed indexed annuities we do have in our portfolio with American Life. But first, we're going to go over American Life, the company itself, because it is a relatively new company. They did start off with a blank slate, so they don't have any excess business that they have to maintain. They are the first cloud-based insurance company, electronic contracting, e-apps. They are a small and nimble business located right up the road, so they are a very natural partner for us. They are located in Lincoln, which is just about 40 minutes up the road from Omaha, where we are located. They are instead of being a private equity with a pool of assets that need to be put to work and have high return hurdles, American Life's approach is the service model. They are very balance sheet light. They use reinsurance to fund their business, which does keep them efficient. And they really do need less return to fund their business. And what this does is makes them very, very ultra competitive. They can bid out the reinsurance and asset managers to get the best yield for the products that they do offer in their portfolio. As you can see, American Life has a very clean balance sheet with very straightforward investments, and they are a B double plus rated company. However, from a financial standpoint, they are right up there with A and A minus rated carriers. As you can see, they do have substantial excess capital. They are they do have a very high risk-based capital ratio, and their percentage of cash and bonds is right in with A-rated carriers. So financially, they are a very strong company. Like I did mention, they are B double plus rated. You can see the marketing pieces that they have. Here are some of examples of them. I would be more than happy to pull any of those for you off of their website and get those out to you after we do conclude this webinar. So let's get into the American Select. And today we are going to cover their 7-year product. So the American Select on the 7-year chassis. It's designed, I'm sure a lot of you have joined me on my 10-year webinar. This product is designed on a 7-year chassis. So it's designed just like the 10-year, where they have the base product, the bonus product, and then the bonus plus product with the 80 basis point fee. The difference is a 7% bonus versus an 11% feed bonus. But what you do have on that bonus contract is a 7% premium bonus on a 7-year product. That bonus does decrease a little bit at the older ages, 75 to 85. It drops down to 5%, but still ultra competitive. As you can see from the rates listed below, the fixed rates, the S&P cap, the par, the MARC 5, are ultra competitive for a 7-year product. The difference in these contracts would be, one of the main differences anyway, would be the liquidity. So on the base contract, you can take 10% out starting in year 1. On that bonus with that 7% no fee bonus, you have 5% liquidity starting in year 2. And then on that bonus plus contract, let's take a look at that. We have an 11% premium bonus to age 84. If no withdrawals are taken by your client other than RMDs, they will give a 2% consistency bonus. And this marketing piece that they have has not been updated. It is at the end of the 7th year. They do not have to wait till the 10th year. So essentially, if they do not take withdrawals other than RMDs, they are getting a 13% bonus on their premium for an 80 basis point fee. Now let's go to the other chart on the screen. Issue ages on this product, pretty standard, 0 to 85. Comp reduces 75 to 85. It is a 7-year contract, as I mentioned. The minimum premium on this contract is a little higher than some. It is $20,000. The maximum is $1 million without home office approval. We did cover the annual fee on the bonus plus product, and the death benefit on these contracts is the greater of the account value or the minimum guaranteed cash surrender value. So let's take a look at the crediting rates. So we've got a fixed account on a 7-year contract at 1.5 on the base with no bonus, and then on the bonus and the bonus plus, those products share the same rate chart. They have a fixed account at 1.15. On a 7-year contract, you have an S&P annual point-to-point cap at 4%, ultra competitive. And then on the bonus and the bonus plus, you have an S&P cap at 3, still very, very competitive. You have a par at 28% on the base contract and 17 on the bonus and the bonus plus. On a 7-year contract, you get a 90% participation on the S&P MARC 5. I would challenge you to go out and find that kind of participation rate on a 7-year contract on the MARC 5. The bonus and the bonus plus does offer that 50% par rate, and then the SocGen Guidance Index has a 70% par on a 2-year and 45 on the base and bonus. On the bonus and the bonus plus. Very, very ultra competitive surrender charge schedule. As you can see, in year 1, it starts at 9 and drops from there. On the base contract, you do have 10% liquidity starting in year 1. You can take multiple withdrawals in a contract year up to 10%, and all of their products, whether it is the 10-year or their MIGA line, are RMD friendly. So let's take a look at the bonus. So if we go with the bonus product, we have a 7% bonus up to 74. 75 to 85, we have a 5% premium bonus. We don't get a consistency bonus on the bonus product, but we do not have an 80 basis point fee. We have a little less liquidity starting in year 2 at 5%. And then on the bonus plus, client does receive an 11% premium bonus. If they are 75 to 85, it does drop down to 9%. And then at the end of that 7th contract year, if client has made no withdrawals other than their RMDs, they get a 2% consistency bonus. And the bonus plus contract does have 10% liquidity starting in year 2. However, that then would forfeit that 2% consistency bonus. And it does have a charge of 80 basis points. The commission on this product is ultra competitive as well at 5.25% to age 74. 75 to 85, it does have a 3% commission. I will tell you that this is a protected override product, so there are no higher levels available on it. So let's talk about the volatility indexes that are available on this product. I'm sure a lot of you advisors on the call today are aware of the S&P MARC 5. It is in multiple carriers index portfolio that they offer. The S&P MARC 5 is comprised of treasuries on a 10-year on the S&P, gold, and the S&P equities. This is a good, steady 4% yielding annual index over a 10-year term. It did go live in 2017, so these are not back tested results. These are actual results that this index has given to clients. The other volatility index that they do have available on these products is the Janus Society Generale Guidance Index with Value Lock. This index does have a 12.5% volatility control and will lock in 2% on a monthly basis to help your clients see the highest yield possible from the index. This index is a 3-year-old index. So again, you can actually take a look on the Janus SG-Value Lock website at what the index has legitimately performed at since 2018. So we are going to talk a little bit about American Life's competitive positioning with their contracts that they do have available. So as you can see, I've gone through and listed bonus products that we have that are the most popular in our bonus indexed annuity portfolio. On a 7-year product, you can get a 6% bonus with Athene for a 95 basis point fee. The Silac Teton and Denali on a 7-year offer a 5% no fee bonus. And then the only other thing that was relatively close to that 11% bonus and then the 2% consistency bonus is Equitrust Market Power bonus with the 10% premium bonus. In the 1010 states, it is a 10-year product, but otherwise you're looking at a 14-year product. So twice the term on the American Select Bonus Plus 7 with less of a bonus. And if you have any questions, we can go over those when I follow up with you later. We are going to go over their operations. And with that, I am going to launch my my last poll question. I'm sorry. Would you like a contracting kit sent out to you for American Life? Again, I do appreciate everyone's participation. So American Life operations, as you can see, they are available in 17 states and DC, and this is not updated because they are now available in Idaho and Oregon. They do have a pretty decent footprint that is continuing to grow, but COVID obviously last year did slow that process down. What they are doing is going to each state's insurance commission and trying to get appointed, but that does take time. So their website is www.american-life.com. I'm getting ready to close out this poll. If the rest of you could answer if you'd like the contracting kit for American Life, I would appreciate it. On the website, you can run quotes, pull applications, look at your business that you have pending and that's issued. And you can access your business contract values. The other thing that you can do on their website is the Firelight e-app. However, we do recommend that you do that at IAMSinc.com on our Firelight platform. If you want to take a look at how simple these illustrations are to explain to your clients, they are not a bunch of charts with a bunch of different numbers on them that are impossible to try and comprehend yourself, let alone explain to your client. This is what an illustration would look like from American Life. They're going to go over the best 10-year yield, worst, and most recent 10-year yield, and give you the periods in which the best and worst were attained. The product training for the American Life American Select product line is done on Reg Ed. It is the ALF10 is the product training code. Illustrations, I am more than happy to run any illustrations you might want to see on this product. But if you would like to play around with the software yourself, again, that website is american-life.com. They do utilize Firelight e-apps, and on their MIGA business, they do pay 25 basis points more for e-apps. Now, American Life is a single premium policy, but they will hold issue until the contract is fully funded with the issue date of the last funds being received. If you are considering writing an American Life policy, do speak to your annuity sales director about their suitability guidelines. And the last thing I'm going to go through are the disclosure pages that we have to go through. I do have a few more minutes. If anybody has any questions, feel free to type them into the box and I will try to get those answered for you. I'll just scroll through these real quick. I don't see any questions. Know that I will be following up with each of you at the conclusion of this webinar to get you out any marketing information you might need. I sincerely appreciate your time today joining me on this webinar, and I look forward to talking to you soon. I hope you all have a great day.